Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGiantX. The roar of the saw, the crack of timber. This is craftsmanship in action. Every moment counts as we dive into the world of precision and power. Get ready for an exciting journey into the art of woodwork. Let's go.
Stovepipe in 'em.
But wait, what's happening here? Flames licking the base of the tree, and yet he decides to go for it. Whoa, why cut it now? Someone help me out. What's the reasoning behind this daring move? This is intense. This is a risky move. One wrong cut, and we might be looking at a fiery disaster. The tension is palpable.
Stovepipe in 'em.
Now, behold the NTB wood sawing system, a technological marvel straight out of Japan. With pre-log registration and twin-band saw technology, this baby processes logs faster than you can imagine. 18.5 seconds per log? No joke. Whoa! That's one massive takedown. I was on the edge of my seat, thinking those heavyweights were going to topple any second. Glad everything's intact. Yanking a tree stump with a truck? Now that's what I call commitment. But hold up, one wrong move, and that cable could turn into a deadly whip. Watch yourself, DIY warriors. This is not for the faint of heart. The Komasu 931 is a beast. Just look at how it handles those slopes with ease. Harvesting timber has never looked so smooth, like a walk in the park. Anyone else think this machine deserves a medal? Oh my God! My worst nightmare almost came true right there. Thank goodness no one was hurt. Now this is what happens when you bring in the big guns. The AHWI RT 800 is a 630 horsepower beast. That Stump didn't stand a chance. Power and precision in perfect harmony. The MEBOR SDH Chain Saw line is a true game changer in the wood industry. Handling logs up to 450 millimeters in diameter, it cranks out an astounding 300 cubic meters of wood in just 8 hours. Imagine the productivity boost, precision, power, and speed, all packed into one incredible machine. For any modern wood mill, this is the tool that takes efficiency to the next level. Prontitu. Precision is key here, folks. One wrong move could set this precarious tree loose, and the consequences would be disastrous. Only a pro arborist can handle something this risky. They make it look easy, but trust me, it's anything but. Now this is chainsaw power. V8 engines roaring, blades slicing through wood like butter. It's the most exciting thing you'll see all day. There's something majestic about this. A 1973 Kenworth logging truck, carving through the snowy expanse like a masterpiece of engineering. Old-school craftsmanship at its finest, this truck is a living legend. The Logmax 6000B is the true powerhouse of the forestry world, quietly dominating the field. Its advanced hydraulic system and rugged design make it a force to be reckoned with, built for maximum productivity and unwavering reliability. This machine isn't just efficient, it's unstoppable, handling the toughest jobs with ease and redefining what it means to work smart in the woods. Using the drum cutter MEBOR 900 on a stump, it's like bringing a bazooka to a knife fight. Total overkill, but wow, is it fun to watch. This machine makes stump removal look effortless. From classic chainsaws to high-tech harvesters, the evolution of saws is pure power and innovation. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, stay sharp and keep cutting.